Most of us eat on autopilot, grabbing food when we're stressed, distracted, or just out of habit. But mindful eating changes that. It's about tuning into your body, recognizing real hunger cues, and making choices that nourish you inside and out. In this video, we'll explore how to practice mindful eating and build a healthier relationship with food. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips. Mindful eating is more than just a trend. It's a transformative way to approach food that connects body, mind, and soul. Unlike dieting, which focuses on restriction, mindful eating emphasizes awareness, presence, and respect for the body's signals. By slowing down and tuning into hunger cues, you can develop a healthier relationship with food, improve digestion, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Below, we'll explore 10 powerful principles of mindful eating in countdown style. Point 10. Slow down and savor each bite. One of the simplest yet most transformative shifts in eating habits is slowing down. Most people finish meals in under 10 minutes, but the body needs at least 20 minutes to signal fullness to the brain. Eating too quickly often results in overeating before the body has a chance to say enough. By deliberately chewing more, setting down utensils between bites, and fully experiencing flavors, textures, and aromas, you engage your senses and create satisfaction. Imagine savoring a crisp apple, noticing its crunch, its sweetness, its juiciness. Point 9. Recognize true hunger versus emotional cravings. Not all hunger is physical. Sometimes what we interpret as hunger is actually thirsted, boredom, stress, or even habit. For example, reaching for chips while watching TV might feel automatic, but if you pause and ask yourself, am I starving or am I seeking comfort or entertainment? You may realize it's not physical hunger. A helpful technique is the HALT method. Before eating, check if you're hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. If it's one of the latter three, food won't solve the issue. True hunger is gradual, felt in the stomach, and relieved by any nourishing food. Cravings, on the other hand, are sudden and often specific, like wanting chocolate ice cream right now. Mindful eating helps you identify the difference, reducing unnecessary snacking. Point 8. Remove distractions during meals. Modern life encourages multitasking, but eating is one activity that benefits from full attention. Watching TV, working on a laptop, or scrolling on your phone while eating disconnects you from your food and your body signals. Studies show distracted eaters consume more food, remember less about what they ate, and often snack again sooner. Creating a distraction-free environment doesn't mean it has to be silent or formal. It simply means being present. Try turning off screens, sitting at a table, and noticing your food. Even if you can only manage this for one meal a day, it can reset your relationship with eating. Point 7. Listen to satiety cues and stop before overeating. Many of us were taught as children to finish everything on your plate. While well-intentioned, this habit disconnects us from our natural satiety signals. Mindful eating encourages stopping at about 70 to 80% fullness, satisfied, but not uncomfortably stuffed. This practice, rooted in Japanese wisdom called harahachi biyu, is linked to longer lifespans and reduced risk of obesity-related diseases. Practically, it means paying attention mid-meal. Pause, take a breath, and ask, am I still hungry, or just continuing because food is available? 6. Respect food and practice gratitude. Mindful eating extends beyond nutrition. It's also about appreciation. Taking a moment before a meal to feel gratitude for the food in front of you can transform eating into a mindful ritual. You might reflect on the effort that brought the meal to your plate, the farmer who grew the produce, the cook who prepared it, or simply the privilege of having nourishment. This practice builds respect for food and reduces mindless consumption. Gratitude creates a mental pause, making you less likely to rush or overeat. It also shifts your mindset from guilt, I shouldn't eat this dessert, to appreciation, I get to enjoy this treat mindfully. That mental shift can significantly improve your emotional relationship with food. Point 5. Understand the quality of your food choices. Mindful eating isn't only about slowing down. It also involves noticing the quality of what you're consuming. Ultra-processed foods are engineered for taste, often overriding satiety signals and making moderation difficult. You may feel unsatisfied even after eating large amounts. By contrast, whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains naturally satisfy hunger because they provide nutrients your body craves. Pay attention to how food makes you feel afterward. Does it energize you or leave you sluggish and bloated? Tracking these responses can guide you toward choices that align with your body's needs. Point 4. Be aware of emotional triggers. Food often becomes a coping mechanism for emotions. Stress leads to comfort eating, loneliness drives late-night snacking, and fatigue makes sugary foods appealing. Mindful eating doesn't ask you to suppress these urges, but to recognize them. For example, after a stressful day, instead of automatically grabbing ice cream, pause and reflect, am I eating to comfort myself? If so, consider alternatives like taking a walk, journaling, or calling a friend. Over time, this awareness reduces the hold emotional eating has over your life. You learn to nourish emotions with actions, not just food. Point 3. Practice portion awareness without restriction. Diet culture often emphasizes restriction, cutting out entire food groups or labeling foods as bad. Mindful eating takes a different approach. It encourages portion awareness without guilt. You can still enjoy dessert, but you do so intentionally, savoring a small portion instead of mindlessly devouring a large one. This method eliminates the binge-restrict cycle common in dieting. Instead of swinging between deprivation and overindulgence, you find balance. When you allow yourself to enjoy all foods in moderation, your cravings naturally diminish, and guilt around eating fades. This flexibility makes mindful eating sustainable long-term. Point 2. Honor your body's individual needs. Every person is unique. What nourishes one body may not work for another. Some people thrive on 3 structured meals a day, while others feel better with smaller, frequent meals. Mindful eating encourages experimentation and reflection, listening to what feels right for your body. For instance, if a certain food leaves you tired or bloated, take note and adjust. If another food boosts your energy and focus, embrace it. Honoring your individual needs builds trust with your body. It shifts nutrition from a set of external rules to an internal compass, guiding you toward balance and well-being. Point 1. Make eating a mind-body connection at its heart. Mindful eating is about reconnecting mind and body. Eating becomes less about rules, guilt, or impulse, and more about awareness, respect, and presence. When you engage fully with meals, you discover that you naturally eat in alignment with your body's needs. This connection allows you to break free from cycles of dieting, emotional eating, or food guilt. Instead of fighting against your body, you learn to listen to it. Eating becomes not only nourishing but joyful, an act of self-care that fuels both physical health and emotional peace. Be wise slowing down, paying attention, and listening to your body. You can transform the way you eat and feel every day. If this video gave you a new perspective on mindful eating, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical wellness guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.